Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pear with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and welcome to the second annual Autoimmune Awareness YouTube and Instagram Hop. So I will be making this slimline card today, but I'm not so much going to talk a whole lot about the card. I really just kind of wanted to let you guys know about this hop. It is to bring awareness to autoimmune diseases. Now, I have primary progressive multiple sclerosis, along with type 1 diabetes, interstitial cystitis, and the list kind of just goes on. So it's important to me that we bring awareness to autoimmune diseases because a lot of the times they're invisible. I get a lot of people say, well, you don't look sick, or you look healthy. It doesn't look like there's anything wrong with you. But in fact, like there's lots of daily struggles. I try not to let that get me down because, it is what it is. I can't do anything, I can't change it. So I just wanted to bring awareness, and I really enjoy doing this hop because I feel like it does get a lot of information out there, and kind of helps people open up a little bit about some of the struggles they're going through. So I was diagnosed in 2018. However, they believe that I had MS 10 years before that. It's so important for you guys to be your own advocates when it comes to your health. Don't let doctors tell you there's nothing wrong with you if you really feel that there is. You live in your bodies and you know when something's off. So with MS, some of the things that I struggle with is memory. My words, like I know what I want to say. Sometimes they just don't come out and I have to kind of like describe the word that I'm looking for. My husband is a phenomenal support. I could not have asked for a better spouse. He goes with me to almost every single doctor's appointment, all my infusions, my surgeries. I do have a lot of spasticity. There was a point where I almost couldn't walk and I had to use a walker, which 38 is not something that you think of, somebody, nobody wants to use a walker. Like I just was determined not to use that walker until I absolutely had to. There were times where I really did need it. I had a surgery to have a baclofen pump put in, and that really helps control the spasticity. It's not like 100%, it doesn't take everything away, but it does help, and I am able to do most things without any problem. Fatigue is huge. I mean, to just do some normal everyday things is exhausting, but you still do them. It's a lot sometimes to handle. And when I was first diagnosed, I was so angry. Like, you get the why did I get this? But then you sit and think like, I can handle this. I know I can handle this and I can push through these things, and it just makes me stronger and stronger every day. I also have type 1 diabetes. So, there's that where I have to maintain and control my insulin and my sugar levels, and just, with that comes neuropathy. I think a lot of people don't realize when you say you have, MS or diabetes, it's always like, oh, I'm so sorry. It's not just that. Like, people don't see the, kind of like the behind the scenes of the, daily struggles people do go through. It's very, sometimes it's very taxing, but you can't let it get you down. You just have to you have to find the positive. Even if it's just the sun is out today, it's a beautiful day. Or, I was able to do this today. It really helps keep your outlook, really good. And it's just, there's a lot of doctor's appointments. There is, a lot of medications. It's trial and error. Right now I'm on an infusion called Ocrevus. I get it once every 6 months, and it kills my B cells. And there's side effects that come with that. I mean, just like with anything, there's always side effects, but you deal with the side effects to have a better day. I mean, I don't know, but I encouraged everybody in this hop to share their stories. I think it helps people relate to you a little bit better, and just to know that there's somebody out there that could be going through the exact same thing that you're going through. So I want to also talk about our sponsors. We have some fantastic sponsors in this hop for both YouTube and Instagram. So be sure to, check. Everything will be listed in my description box, including the whole entire hop list. It's amazing that there are 20 people that are hopping along for autoimmune awareness. It's incredible. So we have Pear Blossom Press, Twiddler's Nook, Gina K Designs, Unity, Tailored Expressions, Magnuson Custom Stamp. Now, I'm sure I butchered that, and I'm so sorry that I did, because they make phenomenal custom stamps. We have the Ink Blot Shop, Kate's Crafty Closet, Pink and Maine, Colorado Craft Company, Catherine Pooler, the Sassy Club, Whimsy Stamps, Sparkle Blends, Stampers Without Spoons, and I am doing a prize pack as well. So to be entered, I just want you guys to go through the hop, and you have to be subscribed to my channel, because that's how we're going to pick winners. But I do want you to go through and leave a comment on as many channels as you can. Like I said, I know there's a lot, and the hashtag will be hashtag Autoimmune Awareness Hop 2022, and that will be the same for Instagram as well, and I will also have that linked in my description box. To talk about the card just a little bit, I did use a watercolor paper, grab some watercolors. I wasn't necessarily going for a rainbow, I just wanted something soft in the background. I did use the awareness ribbon from Simon Says Stamp die. I love this die. I mean, you can make any colors that you want to. So the orange that I'm popping up in the blue are for multiple sclerosis and diabetes. All the ribbons have a meaning to them. I wish I could tell you every single name of the ribbons, but I can't. I will have a pretty informative website linked below that kind of tells you what each ribbon means. I don't want to just put everything about multiple sclerosis and diabetes, because I'm not the only one on this hop. So yeah, if you guys want to be entered, just make sure that you're subscribed and be a public subscriber. It's just a lot easier for me to go through to pick the winners. And like I said, it's just, the amount of support for this hop is just, it's amazing. It just blows my mind. And I'm so incredibly grateful for everybody that is participating. Comment below too if you also have an autoimmune disease. I know some people aren't comfortable sharing, and I totally understand that. For a long time I didn't want anybody to know, because then you just have people that will look at you and think, okay, well, she's fine, there's nothing wrong with her, and it's very hard sometimes to deal with. It's hard to keep a cool head about it. But like I said, if be your own advocate, make sure you guys have a great support system. Like I said, my husband is such a blessing in my life. I don't know what I would do without him. He's there every step of the way, every good day, every bad day. And, not every day is good. There's days where, you just are not having a good day. And you know what? You just have to chalk that up as your bad day, and the next day will be better. So I know I'm rambling, and I'm so sorry. I just wanted to tell you a little bit about what I deal with daily, and not to be afraid to speak up, or, just support somebody. I have found card making and the card making community such a great support. You just need to have people to lean on, and I'm so grateful that I have that in my life. So thank you so much to the sponsors. I'm just blown away by the support. So if you have a story, please share it. If you don't feel comfortable sharing it in the comments, feel free to DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is @MayhemCraftyCards, and I would be happy to talk with you guys about it, because it's important to have somebody there. So I'm going to go through the sponsors again. So we have Pear Blossom Press. It's a $25 gift card. Twiddler's Nook is a $20 gift card. Gina K Designs is a $25 gift card. Unity Stamps is a $25 gift card. Tailored Expressions is a $25 gift card. You get a free custom stamp. And like I said, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I will make sure I have everything linked down below. Like all the rules and kind of the steps. So we have Kate's Crafty Closet. It's a $15 gift card. Pink and Maine is a $25 gift card. Colorado Craft Company is 5 stamp sets. So there will be 5 winners just for that. We have Catherine Pooler, and that's going to be an Instagram only. Some are going to be Instagram only. I'd like to keep this to U.S. residents only. I'll have to see if they ship internationally. I don't want to give somebody a prize that they can't have. So we have the Sassy Club, and then Sparkle Blends and Whimsy Stamp. And then, of course, I have my prize pack. So make sure you're subscribed, leave a comment, and it'll be the same for Instagram as well. So until next time, guys, thank you so much for all of your love and support and comments and subscribing. It means a lot, more than I think people realize. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks guys. Bye.